Burgers are the first thing that comes to my mind when I'm thinking takeaway, but they're usually very unhealthy. So in today's video we're going to show you how to make a burger that is going to impress, and if you want to keep it healthy, we're going to demonstrate some of our twists to keep it healthy but still impress. So, to start with, put a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in a pan and sear your chicken. We don't want to cook it all the way through, we just want to give it some color. When you flip your chicken and it looks like that, put it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Next, we're going to slice some mushrooms and simply pan fry them, and believe it or not, the preparation for our first burger is almost done. For our next burger, we're going to chop an onion. It doesn't have to be very fine, just roughly chop it. Place a tin of tuna in a bowl, half your chopped onion, a squeeze of mustard, salt and pepper, and then put enough flour to mold it into a patty. And then just dust a little more flour on the outside. When your patty is ready, just pan fry it on a medium heat. You don't want the outside to burn before the inside has time to cook. Next, take a carrot, peel it, and then using a peeler just thinly slice it. Then put equal ratio of vinegar to sugar in a pan. We're adding 100 grams of both. Boil it until your sugar is dissolved and then pour it over your carrot slices. Because it's a very aggressive marinade, it's going to take 20 to 30 minutes, but you can keep it in a jar with the vinegar for a couple of weeks easy. We're going to add some tartar sauce to the tuna burger, so slice some pickles and add them to a tablespoon of mayonnaise, following with some chopped onion and the zest of a lemon, and then just combine all the ingredients. Now for our burger, we're using ground beef. To that we're gonna add half an onion, salt, pepper and garlic powder, and then just mold it into two patties. When your patties are ready, add them in a very well preheated pan with a couple tablespoons of olive oil, and fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, depending on how thin your patties are. Our sauce couldn't be simpler. In a tablespoon of mayonnaise, add a squeeze of mustard and ketchup and a pinch of cayenne. Simple as that. When your burgers are almost done, place some cheddar over your burgers and we're pretty much done with cooking. Now to construct our burgers. Add a teaspoon of sauce, your burger, a couple slices of crispy bacon, and the first burger is ready. For our next burger, we're adding a tablespoon of tartar sauce, lettuce, the tuna patty and the pickled carrot. And for our third and final burger, we're adding a slice of Emmental cheese, lettuce, chicken and the sauteed mushrooms. And we are ready! 3 very different but equally delicious burgers. We're serving ours with crispy potato wedges. It's needless to say that you can put anything you want in your burger. We're just demonstrating 3 of our favorites, but we're very curious to know what would you put in yours. Comment down below. If you liked our recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe for more.